How to make $10,000 per month with AI, no experience needed. Did you know people are making thousands of dollars every month using AI, and you don't need coding skills or experience? In this video, I'll show you 5 AI-powered methods to make money online and how you can start today. Artificial intelligence is automating jobs, businesses, and even entire industries. But instead of fearing it, smart people are using AI to create new income streams. Let me show you how. One of the fastest ways to start making money with AI is through freelancing. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Runway AI allow you to provide services that businesses are willing to pay for. One of the fastest ways to start making money with AI is through freelancing. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Runway AI allow you to provide services that businesses are willing to pay for. YouTube automation is a booming business. AI tools like Pictory AI, Synthesia, and 11 Labs allow you to create faceless YouTube channels that generate passive income. Another powerful way to make money with AI is by selling digital products. AI can generate eBooks, online courses, stock images, and even music. Affiliate marketing with AI is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. AI can write blog posts, generate product reviews, and even automate email marketing. The real money comes when you use AI to automate entire businesses. AI can run e-commerce stores, chatbots, and even investment portfolio. AI is not just the future, it's already here. The people who take action now will be the ones making the most money in the next few years. Which AI method are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know.